If you've been feeling pulled back into old patterns, old habits, old mindsets, even old relationships, I want you to hear this. Your old life isn't waiting for you. You've worked too hard to go back to things that drained you. But when you're in the middle of change, when the new version of you still feels unfamiliar, it's easy to romanticize what you walked away from. Not because it was good for you, but because it was familiar. And familiar can feel safe, even when it kept you stuck. So let's walk through a few mindset shifts to help you stop looking back and start showing up for the version of yourself that you've been fighting for. Shift 1. Familiar doesn't mean safe. The things that feel comfortable right now, they're just habits your brain got used to. That doesn't mean they're aligned with who you're becoming. Discomfort isn't always a red flag. Sometimes it's a sign you're doing something different, and that's a good thing. Shift 2. You're not leaving people behind. You're honoring who you are now. It's okay if your growth makes some people uncomfortable. You're not responsible for shrinking to keep the peace. This version of you didn't come out of nowhere. You've worked for this, and now it's your job to protect it. Shift 3. You don't need closure to move forward. You might not get an apology. You might not get understanding, but you can still move forward. Progress doesn't wait for permission, and neither should you. Drop a door emoji in the comments if you're done reopening old doors. And let me know, what part of your past are you ready to stop carrying? Remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.